Hello everyone! Today, we'll talk about how to attach or send documents in a Freelancer Marketplace platform using an out-of-the-box solution, the Freelancer Marketplace Plugin. File attachments can be made right when creating the project, but also additional documents can be sent to each parties during project execution. But how? Here's our ongoing project where, for example, a customer needs to send additional documents to the freelancer. We can do that by simply going to the messages, attach symbol, select the files, and upload. We can enter some more text and click on send. Once the file has been sent to the messages, it will also automatically appear on the document section, listing down all attachments sent via messages so both parties can easily find and access it. There you have it! Now you know how to attach documents on an existing project in a WordPress Freelancer Marketplace. If you want to learn more, just watch our other videos or visit our website at www.pluginsandsnippets.com. Thank you!